If you're watching this video, that means you either need to return your purchase, start a service request, or make a claim through our furniture care protection. In this video, I'm going to briefly walk you through the steps in the process so that you have a better idea of what to expect. My name is Michelle Wilde. Let's get started. To begin, you will click the Contact Us page as shown here. You will fill out some personal information, and in the comment, you'll give us any details regarding your request. After you click Submit, you will expect to hear back from us within 24 to 48 hours. Alternatively, you can also call the store where you made your purchase and follow a similar process. After Guest Services reviews your case, they will contact you through email with an attached form appropriate to your needs, or they'll ask more information regarding your issue. If you receive a form, you will need to fill out some personal information and some more specifics about your request and your purchase itself. If at any point you need assistance or have questions about your form, feel free to reply back to the email sent or call the store where you made your purchase and we'll be happy to help. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of how this process works and made this a little bit less stressful for you. If you still have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah!